All right, I mean, what more could you ask for? And then just turquoise blue water and white sandy beaches. Of course, these aren't twist off caps. Let's try to figure this out. Maybe this might work using the hotel room key. Oh, let's go. Oh shit, I think I may have chipped the thing though. Oh shit, I broke it. Alright, I'll just piece that together. Should I risk breaking another one?
That's not gonna be strong enough.
Just breaking everything. There we go. There we go. Bloody hell. Cheers to breaking keychains.
Hard one.
Oh, where's the kangaroos? Kangaroos are kangaroos. Here we are at what beach is this? Haven something for Lucky Bay.
Le Grand Beach.
Hey, look, it's a Wanna Bango. It's $15 per vehicle to enter the national park for the day. There are caravan campsites as well. Upon driving in, we saw we're completely booked. A very popular place to camp, so keep that in mind. Cape Le Grand National Park. This is cookies and cream polvoron. And then I throw it at you. Starting this little hike up this mountain here, and first thing we see is a sign that says bee warning, so be warned. Ling.
I'm trying to manage my anxiety.
Wow. Esperance. Wow. Hellfire Bay. Jellyfish. This is like a notable characteristic of the beaches here in Esperance. Powdery white. You could almost snort it, I tells ya. It is so fine. It is so white.
Putting your foot in a stone.
Yeah, feels like whoa! Feels almost like cement, like quicksand. Ling mentioned that the sand here contains quartz, so that could be the reason why it squeaks and why it has such a different feel.
And why it's white.
I could see the water. Alright, here we are at the next beach, Lucky Bay. You can find kangaroos on the beach. I've seen photos of this online. It's pretty awesome. The white sand, the blue beach, and a kangaroo. Doesn't get more Australian than that. So we're gonna head down to the beach and hopefully we'll spot a couple kangaroos and maybe jump in the water and cool off. Don't feed the bloody kangaroos, as tempting as it may be. I don't think kangaroos should be eating chicken treat. We wave back. This seems to be a good spot. Here we go. I relax. If you have a four-wheel drive, you could drive your vehicle on the beach like this gentleman is doing right here. Maybe at some point the kangaroos will come out when they smell the food we've got. Ling prepared for us delicious chicken sandwiches. We got some crisp John Boston, Australia's first brewer since 1796 crisp lager. My back is hot. Let's go for a dip ski. Summer water's still a bit chilly.
And drinking water for sure.
It is the Southern Ocean. The trick to dealing with this is to just jump right in. Here comes the wind. Woo! That's refreshing.
Here you go, love.
Oh.
Merienda.
Ling made polvoron.
I'll feed it to you. Why don't you want to eat my polvoron?
I don't know, it broke. It's
You
broken.
broke my polvoron.
There behind me is the Whistling Rock of La Grande National Park. I don't know why they call it Whistling Rock though.
When the wind blows, it's weird.
Really? Thistle. That's a thistle. Thistle Cove. It's not a kangaroo. It's a thistle. You cockaroo, climb down. Alright, Frenchman Peak lookout. There's Frenchman Peak. Wow.